Okay. So thank you, sir, for giving us some sound bites. Were you there for the conference today, whole day, sir?
No, I was not there in the morning. No.
Okay. Can you give us more brief about the IRE, sir? What is it, and what do people expect out of it for the 2015, or how has it been shaping it up, sir?
I think the IRE has now grown from a very humble beginning, and today it is now one of the premier shows in this part of the world. So the expectations are different. Today the global challenges are totally different in the sense the technology is moving much faster, production across countries is moving much faster. China is giving up on production of several items. So I think there is a huge opportunity here in this part of the world for the Indian rubber manufacturers. And India is now coming out of a recession or a slowdown, what we can say. So I think the opportunities are great, and typically the growth of the rubber industry is almost twice that of our GDP. So if we are looking at a 7 or 8% GDP, you are looking at a 10 to 15% growth in rubber.
It's basically the sunrise industry, can we say, or not really, or is it we have already crossed that and we've gone ahead, sir?
Yeah, and no, not. I wouldn't say sunrise. In fact, it is a forerunner. If your GDP does well, that means your travel is doing better, tourism is doing better, more goods are being moved. So your requirement of rubber for trucks, passenger vehicles, for leisure, for all the rubber is required. So the demand for rubber will grow. Auto and auto parts constitute, like tire is almost 40 to 50% of the rubber consumption. Auto and auto parts would be another 15-20% when you take tubes and all. So 70% of the rubber is the automotive related. So if the economy is going to do well, then certainly we are looking at the rubber industry doing well.
And at least we have a stable government for the next 4 years, 5 years now actually.
If like we say that Modi government's promises are going to be fulfilled, then I think rubber industry should easily be 50% higher in the next 3 to 4 years.
Are you optimistic about it, sir?
I am pretty sure that we will be doing that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
What's your name?